Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. So for today's look, I used 5 packs of spring twist hair. I really don't know if I can call it, or if I should call it passion twist or spring twist, but whatever it is, yes. So my client is going to be getting it in a small size. And for this look, it's the same thing as the passion twist or your regular Senegalese twist. It's just the difference in hair. And you can see me kind of braiding differently because the hair is fluffy. As we all know, spring twist is fluffy. So I just tried to make sure it's, secured properly to avoid slipping out. And yes, for this particular style, I am going to be right twisting. Wait, is he that? I'm actually going to be left twisting. So if you haven't checked out my passion twist video, please do. I'm going to link it up in the card so you can actually check it out. There are 2 ways that I know to do passion twist, the left and the right twist. So for this particular one, I'll be using the left twist. So if you're in the Bay Area and you want to book with me, you're going to find the style on my site as Tina Twist. Usually when my clients come to me to get a new style, or when I'm like, oh, I want to try this out, will you be my model? So when they do it, I usually name the style after them. So for my distress locks on my website, you can find it as Lemmy Locks. So because I decided to name it after her. And for this style, you can find it as Tina Twist because the first client that tried it, her name is Tina. So I just like to acknowledge my clients by naming the styles after them. So guys, all you need for this style is your spring twist hair. And also, you don't really need this spring twist hair to achieve this particular look or this bouncy feel. That's why I said please check out the previous video, because I gave an example with different hair brands that you can get anywhere and cheaper actually. But for this particular color, I couldn't find it in those particular brands, so I had to go for my spring twist. So for this style, you're going to be using the spring twist hair or any hair that you prefer. Definitely hair gel, because it keeps the twist in place, your comb and your mousse and your hairspray. Thank you guys for watching this video. If you're a new subscriber, thank you. Welcome to the family. If you're just passing by, you can also join the family by subscribing and turn on your post notifications so you know when I drop new videos. So guys, like I said before I actually go, if you have new videos or new styles that you want me to create, or if you want me to attempt, please let me know in the comment section. And yes, everyone who has requested videos down in the comment section, I am currently working on your requests because I'm trying to give you guys the content that you want to see. So it might take me days to actually practice to perfect it, but definitely I'm going to be posting the videos on requests. So thank you guys for watching again, and I will see you in my next video.